Alright, so this is a custom 52-inch Home Depot, aka an unbranded Clarkston ceiling fan that I got from my great uncle for free, missing its blades. And it's not an original like kit, so I got some blades for it. These are 52-inch blades on a 44-inch fan. I know that's not good for the motor, but it's a cheap fan. It's the only blades I could find, and if it breaks, it breaks, because I got it for free, and it's a cheap fan nonetheless, so I don't really care. But yeah, this is going to go to my grandma, like I said, and these blades came from a coral that I got from Habitat that I parted out, and I got the light kit from it too for my Claire, since the North Pond light kit was not fitting properly with the blades. But yeah, the cat's going to have to get out of the way. But yeah, here goes for light. The light chain's kind of stuck. Sorry about that, I just wanted to make sure that's low. No, the blades don't really match the fan either, but it's the closest option I can find. And my cat's better get out of the way. But anyway, that's low. Now I'm going to crank it up to medium. Has a bit of a motor hum too. Which is a good breeze for low for what it is. Especially with the 52-inch blades, but like I said, it will wear the motor out, or from what I've heard it will. But this is just a cheap fan anyway, so it ain't like it really matters. This is going to be, I'm going to start every single new fan I get, which some of them I'll have to get rid of to make, because I don't have the space for, but every single fan I get donated, I'm going to start testing them here with the extension cord. This is like my new ceiling fan testing area, but yeah. Now I'm going to start off high. Which is a good breeze for on high for sure. Get out of the way! Anyways, hope you enjoy. Comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.